Here we are making goat stomach Tupperware. Delicious and useful. We got some of the intestines cleaned out. You can eat these once you squeeze them out, or you can braid them into cordage if you're that desperate for string. There it is, turning the goat stomach inside out to clean it all out. Look at those fresh greens. Look at that weird pattern on the inside of the stomach. Here we go. Okay, so we're pulling the stomach inside out so we can really wash it out. And it'll make a really nice...
I broke off this wrap.
Oh yeah, container. We got it inside out. You can see all the weird textures. Look at all these. Clean all that out. Then here will be the top of our container. We're gonna fill that up.
I'm trying to eat that. That's the thing that's floating in the water.
Now washing right out. It's like a t-shirt. There's a little top piece of the stomach. We haven't tied this off yet. We tie that off, and as you can see, a nice little water container. That's just the top part. You also have the main stomach over there. And try boiling some water in here. So here we've tied off the bottom, fill it full of water, and we'll try putting some hot rocks in there, see if we can boil this water for an emergency drink. So I got the Y stick, the split stick, get some hot rocks. Put that split stick with a hot rock on there. Into the stomach.
Ooh,
Transfer some heat. We're already steaming. Oh, yeah, boiling in there. Can you see? Ooh, steamed up. Look at that.
It's boiling.
And here's how to boil water inside of a flat hide. You got some hide, some water in there, hot rock. Cuts right through. I thought it was bad doing this with a Leatherman.
Yeah.
There you go. Delicious goat stew. Stewed in its own hide, which makes it a lot more of a delicacy. I bet watching this makes your mouth salivate. Alright, so there you go. There's our leg skin tied off and filled with water. Try boiling it like that right over the fire. There you go. Water's heating up. You can see it starting to move. Almost. It's not burning through.